Cooking in 2026 is getting smarter fast. But don't miss number 5, because the final kitchen gadget might save you more time than everything else on this list combined. Save space and simplify meal prep with this 3-pack collapsible colander set. Perfect for draining pasta, washing fruits, rinsing vegetables, and cleaning rice. These foldable strainers collapse flat for easy storage. The oversized draining tray adds extra convenience, making kitchen tasks faster and cleaner. Get this versatile set today for just $21. Organize your kitchen in style with the 5-tier kitchen fruit vegetable storage cart. Featuring 5 spacious rotating baskets, this versatile storage rack keeps fruits, vegetables, snacks, spices, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. The sturdy floor-standing design and smooth rolling wheels make it simple to move wherever you need extra storage. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, and dining areas, all for just $66. Keep food fresh longer with the Vacuumer vacuum sealer machine. Featuring a powerful 80 kilopascals double pump system, dry and moist sealing modes, pulse control, and a built-in cutter, it delivers reliable food preservation with ease. The handle-lock design and widened 12mm heating strip ensure strong, secure seals every time, all for just $64. Protect your cooktop and add extra workspace with the Eufora silicone stove top cover. Designed for electric and glass-top stoves, this durable 28 by 20 silicone mat helps prevent scratches, catches spills, and creates a convenient surface when your stove is not in use. Stylish, multifunctional, and easy to clean, all for just $20. Egg cooker. Satisfaction guaranteed. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs your way, every time we guarantee it. 6 egg capacity. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel and clean up as snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push start button. It couldn't be easier. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja DCT 45112 in one smart double oven, designed for maximum versatility and convenience. The innovative flex door lets you access the top or full oven easily, while smart finish and a built-in thermometer ensure perfect results every time. Enjoy rapid top convection and powerful air frying on the bottom for crispy, flavorful meals. With FlavorSeal technology and a sleek stainless steel design, this oven delivers professional cooking at home. Keep your countertops clean and organized with the Zuli Kitchen Spoon Rest. Made from high heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it holds multiple utensils at once while catching drips and spills. Perfect for spoons, tongs, and spatulas, this simple kitchen helper makes cooking easier. And it's yours for just $10. Bring restaurant-style grilling to your kitchen with the Zojirushi EA BDC 10TD Gourmet Sizzler Electric Griddle. Featuring a large cooking surface, adjustable temperature control, and durable non-stick design, this premium electric griddle is perfect for pancakes, burgers, barbecue, and family meals. Stylish in dark brown and easy to clean, it delivers delicious results every time, all for just $148. Take the hassle out of cooking with the Stirmate Automatic Pot Stirrer Gen 3. This powerful, cordless kitchen helper automatically stirs soups, sauces, risottos, and more, so you don't have to stand over the stove. With variable speed control and a self-adjusting design, it fits different pot sizes and keeps ingredients moving evenly to prevent burning. Save time, reduce effort, and enjoy perfectly stirred dishes with this smart, hands-free cooking companion. Turn your kitchen into a full indoor barbecue station with the XHJ4 in one electric indoor grill smokeless. Featuring a smokeless grill, sizzling grill pan, auto-rotating kebab skewers, and a hot dog roller, this all-in-one cooker lets you prepare multiple favorites at the same time. With dual-zone cooking, a convenient lid, and removable cooking surfaces for easy cleanup, it's perfect for family meals and entertaining guests, all for just $100. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this Acacia cutting board meal prep system. Featuring built-in containers with lids for interchangeable graters and 2 plastic boards for meat, it keeps prep organized and mess-free. Juice grooves capture liquids, while the durable design makes chopping, grating, and storing food faster and cleaner. An all-in-one prep station for any kitchen. Upgrade your baking game with the wooden rolling pin 17.6-inch. Crafted from durable beech wood with smooth rotating ergonomic handles for effortless rolling. Perfect for pizza, pastries, bread, and cookies, this classic dough roller gives you even results every time. And at just $8, it's a must-have kitchen essential for every home baker. Tired of uneven homemade bread slices? Meet the Brevclon manual bread slicer. With adjustable thickness, a smooth hand-crank design, built-in scale lines, strong suction cups, and a premium solid wood base, it delivers perfect sourdough slices every time. Beautifully packaged and built to last. Now available for just $1.56. Upgrade your bread-making experience today. Cook crispy, delicious meals with the powerful Vuesign 6.8 QD10 in one air fryer. Featuring 10 cooking functions, fast 400 degrees Fahrenheit heating, a visible cooking window, and an adjustable bottom heater for extra crispy results. This 1700W air fryer makes healthy cooking easy and convenient. With a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket and large 6.8 QD capacity, it's perfect for family meals. All for just $54. Cook fast and efficiently with the Amschef Double Induction Cooktop. This 1800W portable stove features 2 burners with a removable non-stick griddle, perfect for any meal. Enjoy precise cooking with 9 power levels, a 99-minute timer, and easy sensor touch controls. Sleek in iron gray, it's compact, powerful, and ideal for kitchens, apartments, or on-the-go cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with the premium Ravati RVH 82-2233-inch undermount workstation kitchen sink. Crafted from durable 16-gauge stainless steel, this spacious single-bowl sink features a built-in workstation design with a cutting board and handy accessories for efficient meal prep and cleanup. The brushed finish helps hide scratches while adding a sleek modern look, combining style, durability, and functionality for just $649. Make barbecue prep faster and cleaner with the Drip Easy Collapsible Barbecue Prep Tubs 2-piece set. Marinate, store, and prep food with ease using these extra-large tubs, complete with a cutting board and secure lid. Collapsible for space-saving storage and built for serious grill masters. Get this versatile 2-piece set today for just $100. Serve perfect scoops every time with the Spring Chef Heavy Duty Ice Cream Scoop. Its durable design effortlessly glides through hard ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, cookie dough, and more. Featuring a comfortable ergonomic handle and dishwasher-safe construction, this versatile kitchen tool delivers professional results for just $10. Keep your toppings, fruits, and garnishes fresh and perfectly organized with the 5-compartment stainless steel chilled condiment tray. Featuring 5 removable compartments, a durable stainless steel design, and a protective lid, this chilled serving tray is perfect for parties, taco bars, cocktail stations, and meal prep. Convenient, stylish, and easy to clean, it keeps everything within reach and ready to serve. All for just $43. Strip corn kernels in seconds with the Dream Farm Core Peel. This clever, mess-free corn peeler glides smoothly down the cob, removing kernels quickly and safely without the hassle of a knife. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for salads, soups, and side dishes. All for just $13. Cook more in less time with the Crock-Pot Multi-Meal Multi-Cooker and Programmable Slow Cooker. Featuring 2 3.7-quart nonstick pots, this versatile multi-cooker lets you prepare 2 different dishes simultaneously while also offering a convenient bake function. Perfect for feeding 8 or more people, it simplifies meal prep, family dinners, and entertaining. Plus, the dishwasher-safe pots make cleanup quick and effortless. All for just $179. Make breakfast faster and easier with the Fohier 2-in-1 omelet waffle maker. Featuring a powerful 1400W heating system, 180 degrees flip design, and adjustable browning control, it lets you cook 2 fluffy omelets and 1 crispy waffle at the same time. Non-stick and convenient, it's a breakfast powerhouse for just $49. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Keystone Smart Touch Screen Toaster. Featuring a sleek retro design, extra-wide slots, and an intuitive touchscreen, it delivers perfect toast every time. Choose from 6 browning levels, plus reheat and defrost functions for ultimate convenience. Ideal for bagels, bread, and more, all for just $43. Upgrade your kitchen with the Empava electric stove induction cooktop vertical 2 burners. Featuring 2 powerful burners, a sleek black vitro ceramic glass surface, and energy-efficient induction technology, this compact 12-inch cooktop delivers fast, precise heating while saving valuable counter space. Easy to clean and designed for modern kitchens, apartments, and RVs, it combines style, performance, and convenience, all for just $200. Simplify kitchen cleanup with the Magnetic Drainage Filter Basket 2.0 design. This magnetic corner basket catches food scraps, rinses produce with ease, and features a twist-open bottom for quick disposal, keeping your sink cleaner and more organized. All for just $22. Keep your sink area neat and organized with the OXO Good Grips stainless steel sink caddy. Featuring durable stainless steel construction and smart storage for sponges, brushes, and soap, it helps reduce clutter while keeping essentials within easy reach. All for just $20. Make kitchen prep easier with the blue Ginkgo over-the-sink colander. Its extendable design fits most sinks, letting you wash fruits and vegetables, drain pasta, and even dry dishes while saving valuable counter space. Durable, versatile, and perfect for any home kitchen. Grab this must-have essential today for just $19. Protect your cookware and keep it looking like new with REZIVI pot and pan protectors. These durable 3D mesh pads prevent scratches, dents, and damage when stacking pots and pans. Available in 3 convenient sizes, they help extend the life of your favorite cookware. All for just $12. Eggshell Opener. Say goodbye to messy cracking. Introducing our innovative eggshell opener for hard-boiled eggs, designed to make cracking hard-boiled and raw eggs a breeze. Just press the button for a clean, quick cut. No more knives or hammering required. This essential tool is among the top kitchen gadgets for 2024. Take it anywhere. Lightweight and portable, this egg cracker is your ideal kitchen aid for outdoor adventures. Easily pack it in your luggage or backpack for hassle-free egg cracking at home, in a hotel, or while camping. Pair it with our egg peeler tool for hard-boiled eggs for the ultimate kitchen and dining experience. Upgrade your kitchen. Transform your cooking routine with this essential kitchen tool that simplifies egg preparation, making it a must-have for every home chef. Whether you're using our eggshell opener, egg cracking tool, or hard-boiled egg peeler, elevate your kitchen experience today. Egg Flipper Spatula Tongs. Cooking versatile 2-in-1 design, revolutionize your cooking experience with ease as you effortlessly egg flipper spatula tong and securely grip your foods. This innovative culinary tool is expertly designed to handle a variety of kitchen tasks with precision and versatility. Red Circle Black Circle set of 2 in black and red. Elevate your kitchen style with this sleek set of 2 egg flipper spatulas featuring classic black and vibrant red colors. Whether you're aiming for a modern or traditional aesthetic, these spatulas complement any kitchen decor while adding a pop of color and functionality. Pancakes multi-purpose use. The egg flipper spatula excels at handling omelets, pancakes, steak, meat, fish, eggs, and beyond. This versatile kitchen tool is adept at turning, rotating, and frying, offering unparalleled convenience. Whether for home cooking, restaurant service, hotel kitchens, buffet setups, parties, and beyond, it's the ideal companion for all culinary endeavors. The OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 egg separator makes separating eggs quick and mess-free. It easily separates yolks from whites, cracks eggs, and strains shells in one simple tool. The soft, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip for easy control. Perfect for baking and everyday cooking, this compact tool saves time and keeps your kitchen clean. Create delicious crepes, pancakes, and more with the NutriChef electric crepe maker griddle. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, while adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. With LED indicators and included wooden spatula and batter spreader, it's everything you need for quick, hassle-free cooking at home. Keep your kitchen drawers neat and customizable with the Kigley 3-piece wood pegboard drawer organizer set. Designed with 32 adjustable wooden pegs, this smart system lets you create flexible compartments to securely hold dishes, plates, pots, containers, and utensils. The sturdy wooden construction adds a natural, stylish touch while keeping cookware from sliding around. Easy to rearrange and sized to fit most drawers, it's a simple way to maximize space and stay organized. Make fun, homemade treats with the mini donut maker machine. Designed for kid-friendly breakfasts, snacks, and desserts, it makes 7 cute donuts at once with a fun donut print. The non-stick surface ensures easy release and quick cleanup, making every sweet moment simple, safe, and delicious. Serve your dishes in style with this 4-pack chafing dish buffet set. Each 6 cutie stainless steel round dish features a visible glass cover to keep food warm and presentable. Perfect for parties, weddings, Christmas gatherings, and catering events, these buffet servers make entertaining effortless and elegant every time. Enjoy fresh corn the easy way with the Chef and Cob Plus corn stripper and peeler. This smart kitchen tool quickly removes kernels from the cob in one smooth motion, saving time and reducing mess. The built-in safety pusher keeps your hands protected while ensuring maximum kernel removal. Its compact, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand and is simple to use for both home cooks and beginners. Perfect for salads, salsas, soups, and side dishes, this corn stripper delivers clean results in seconds. A must-have gadget for fast, safe, and effortless corn prep every time. Prep vegetables faster with the 2-in-1 pepper seed corer remover. Designed for quick, clean cuts, it easily removes seeds from bell peppers, zucchini, tomatoes, and more. Simple to use and efficient, this handy kitchen tool saves time and makes everyday cooking easier. Start your day with the Nostalgia 3-in-1 breakfast station. Brew coffee, cook on the non-stick griddle, and toast in the 4-slice oven, all at once. With a built-in timer and retro red design, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for quick, delicious mornings. Open stubborn lids effortlessly with the 2-piece adjustable stainless steel jar opener. Designed for weak hands, seniors, and arthritis relief, this durable metal opener adjusts to fit jars, bottles, and tight lids of all sizes. The non-slip grip provides extra leverage, making opening easy and pain-free. Portable, vintage style, and built to last, this smart kitchen gadget turns tough lids into a simple twist. Keep your pantry neat and your food fresh with the Honeycandu Zevro Essential Dual Control Dry Food Dispenser. Designed for effortless portion control, it smoothly dispenses cereal, snacks, or dog food with a simple twist. Each clear container holds up to 17.5 ounces, making it easy to see when it's time to refill. Perfect for organized, mess-free storage the whole family can use.